Right here I'm adding on a metal screw hook using jewelry metal glue, just so I can make the dot for the eye. Okay, here I'm going to start gluing and stacking the cardstock on top of each other neatly as possible, lining up all edges as much as you can so it stacks until it stacks into a nameplate. Also, I do not have on gloves. I know, because what's inside that clear bottle is actually Elmer's washable glue. So it will not harm my fingers. It will wash right off. Otherwise, if I was using any other type of glue, yes, I would have gloves on. So as you can see, I'm on layer number 3. I have 4 layers, so I'm on layer number 3, and I'm just going to just keep applying that glue and stacking it up there until I'm done. The reason why I use Elmer's clear glue is because it's actually easier for me to move the paper around, or cardboard, whatever material that I'm using. It's kind of slippery, so it doesn't stick automatically and get all gummy to where you can't move and line things up the way you need it to be. Or if you need to peel it apart because you just completely jacked up and you want to redo it again, it's so much easier to do it with this type of glue, because like I said, it's slippery and it's clear and it dries clear too, and it's just so much easier to deal with. Also on the side, what you see me doing now is I'm actually getting ready to throw it into my UV lamp, just to speed up the process for this video, even though this video is on a 2 times the speed limit, 2 times the time speed, but I just threw it in there anyway. So that's why you see that blue light. Make sure you cover all the edges. This is not the best glue. It's just something, like I said, I use because it's easier. However, it is not the best glue, so you got to make sure that you at least cover all edges and everything so it sticks. Here I'm showing you the UV lamp so you can see what it looks like. It's just a regular UV lamp. I got it from Amazon. They're pretty cheap. It's a small one. I do have a bigger one for bigger projects. So, but it's really, really convenient to have, and I just wanted to show you. Okay, so here I am not fully prepared. I am getting up, as you can see, to grab the infamous Mod Podge. Please be prepared and have all your materials set up before you begin your project. I totally forgot all about the Mod Podge. At any rate, I'm using Mod Podge because I would like to start to apply the top and the back of the nameplate. And everyone knows that Mod Podge is great and it sticks really, really well. So even though I built the nameplate, the purse, and the Diva with the cheap Elmer's glue, it doesn't matter because now I'm going in with some stronger glue, and that is the Mod Podge. And I'm just going to go on ahead and apply that really, really nice and as neat as possible without getting it all over the place and it's oozing out, because it's really a pain in the butt trying to clean off the top of this type of cardstock. It's just a pain. So just try not to be messy with it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, and just keep watching. Alright, so for the cardstock images, I'm going to apply one layer of Mod Podge just to start to build like a shiny coat foundation. Now with that being done, it's time for me to start to get ready to apply the resin. So the reason why I applied the one coat of Mod Podge on the cardstock is because there's like oil base inside the inside the resin. So from trial and error, when I just went in and put the resin on top of the cardstock, once it dried, there would be like little dots or just random spots of oil that would seep through onto the image, and it was not looking cute. So I decided to put like a layer of another sealant first to eliminate that problem. So that's a tip for you beginners if you didn't already know. Okay, so here the same rules apply. Just put your UV resin on. I just picked up a silicone stick, and with the silicone stick, I'm just smoothing out some lumps, some bumps, some air pockets, and some bubbles. I'm just getting rid of all that stuff, and then she'll be ready to go into the UV lamp. Off camera, I did the purse because it's, like I said, it's the same thing. It's over and over again. So I just did that offline. Also, offline, I applied the two-part resin. It's A and B, two-step resin, two-part equal parts. I apply that because it makes that baby even harder and it doesn't break. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hope you make you one too and show me some pictures. Thanks.